Welcome! If you've noticed that your Discord chat on the web looks a bit too spaced out, and you'd like to see more messages at once, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to adjust the space between items in Discord on your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started and make your chat view as compact as possible for a cleaner, more efficient experience. First, open up Discord in your web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. Just head to the Discord website and log into your account as usual. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your user settings menu where you can customize all sorts of things about your Discord experience. Now, in the menu on the left, scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance, and you'll see a variety of options for how Discord looks and feels. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the section called UI Density. This controls how much space appears between messages and items in your chat. By default, Discord usually sets this to cozy, which is a bit more spread out and easier on the eyes for some people. But if you want to see more messages without scrolling, choose the compact option instead. As soon as you select compact, you'll notice the chat instantly changes. Messages are now packed closer together, giving you a much denser view of your conversations. This is perfect for busy servers or if you just prefer a more streamed look. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the space between items in Discord on the web. Enjoy your new compact chat view and make the most out of your Discord experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.